Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Saxo Bank from the country that you live. So right now we just created our account and now what we're gonna do is we need to enable our country in our settings. So what we're gonna do now is click here on your profile icon, platform settings, and then right now we need to select right here the format. And then for my country it's Dutch, so I search right here for Dutch, click here on the Netherlands, and now we do apply changes. So right now he is creating a new platform right here, or a new format for my country. But what you need to do is quite simple, guys, because just change this and change it to the language that you want. Select right here your time zone 2. That is also very nice to do. And then after this, so let's say this one, and then right now we do apply changes, and now we are ready to do the setup right there. So this is how you can use Saxo Bank for your own country. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.